Fans booing at a driver who has won a race or is at his prime of dominance is nothing new to Formula 1. The recent victim of it would be Max Verstappen.
Win for Max Verstappen, the governor of Texas, presents the trophy to Max Verstappen.
Previous to him, both Lewis Hamilton and Sebastian Vettel got their fair share of boost during their respective dominance. But recently, I've noticed a trend that is way scarier than it ever was before. A team hiring bodyguards for a driver to a Grand Prix is something that I've personally not heard of before. Due to the Drive to Survive series, the recent popularity of Formula 1 among the general public has grown tremendously. Though it's good that Formula 1 has gained more popularity and gathered more fan following out of the DTS, I think it may have given a wrong impression about Formula 1 and the people involved in it to those audience. For the people who are not aware of the Drive to Survive series, it's a web series produced by Netflix about everything that happens behind the scenes during a particular season of Formula 1 every year. And though it sounds interesting in and of itself, the problem that not just me but also some of the drivers and OG F1 fans have towards it is the way in which they depict things with their edits of episodes. Some clips that are recorded of drivers and team personnel being used in a completely different scenario, misleading the viewers to induce thrill and excitement for the viewers of the series. Toxicity is something that we live amongst. Everything that has a fan following has its fair share of toxic fans as well, who don't think twice about causing harm to others either verbally or physically. The toxicity in F1 particularly got more evident with our last race in Mexico. With the lap 1 crash of home hero Sergio Perez due to his collision with Leclerc, fans who came to support Ferrari and Leclerc got beat up. By the way, I don't and can't blame any of this on Sergio Perez or on all the other Mexican fans who came to the circuit just to watch the race and enjoy it regardless of what happens. Seeing these ultimate road-going machines go around a track attacking each corner with maximum pace is a delight to watch. And the F1 tickets by themselves are nothing cheap. So heading into the weekend, you should walk in with an acceptance that regardless of what happens, I have to enjoy the sporting event. And getting attacked by the toxic fans for the racing incident just cause you support Charles Leclerc and Ferrari is unacceptable.
It's always a difficult weekend and a difficult race when you're fighting with the local hero. Can you just mention what happened in turn 1? A lot of booing.
Not just that, but as a precaution, even Max Verstappen had to walk into the weekend with bodyguards for safety reasons sickens me. The fact that getting beat up or even thinking that there could be a chance of getting attacked by the fans should be the last thing to think of when it comes to the fans of Formula 1. By the way, when I say attacked by fans, I don't mean it in the sense of getting swarmed around by fans out of love. I mean it in the literal sense of getting attacked. I really hope FIA does something about it to tighten the safety standards and the security in the future events, as a threat to both the fans and the drivers' well-being should not be a cause of concern when they turn up to a venue. Sadly, it has gotten to this point, but we as a group need to stop this from happening. The way in which we have and should watch and support Formula 1 is by celebrating the drivers and teams that did or doing well and constructively critiquing them when they fumble, like how Checo is doing pretty much for most of the season and how Aston Martin is doing right now. It's fair to critique them as a viewer, but it's also important to enjoy the races, the drivers, the teams and their personalities. We should know the limit to stop ourselves when the light-hearted jokes and comments are turning more aggressive in a way of bullying someone or attacking someone. This goes for every fan around the world following any sport or entertainment medium, not just for the toxic fans of Formula 1, and also for all the bullies on and offline. Everyone deserves and has the right of space to share their thoughts and opinions. If you have any difference of opinion to it, you have all the right to have a counter discussion. But it can't cross the line and turn into bullying him or her and hurting that individual by using hurtful words. Having a difference of opinion is nothing wrong as long as it engages in a healthy debate. I know that when you root for a driver, you emotionally invest yourself in them, but you need to know where to draw the line when your love and support for someone is turning you into hurting and abusing someone for that. Can the toxicity in fandom be completely eradicated? Well, I would love for that, but the reality is that it's impossible to make it extinct. But we can surely reduce it to a fair bit if we collectively work together to draw that fine line. F1 is a very special sport in my opinion. It's a sport for people who have great appreciation and love towards aerodynamics, design, speed, innovation, and cars. Don't you think it's special that only those 20 among the billions of us have gotten the chance to do the job that they're doing? So let's enjoy and learn to share our happiness and appreciation for it in a healthy way while we can. Why waste our time in bringing someone down or causing harm to someone? So I made this video to share my 2 cents on this matter, as I was absolutely disgusted when I saw that clip. I found it important to voice out my opinion when I saw it, and that's why I made this video. So put your thoughts on this whole situation down in the comments, as I'm curious to know your thoughts and opinion on it as well. So with that being said, hit the like button if you found this video to be meaningful or thoughtful, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also hit that bell icon and turn on all notifications so you get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. It's me, your boy Urban Cast, aka Vinesh, and I'm out. Love you guys, stay safe, peace.